there are multiple scenarios that we can think of while we are ensuring the compounding effect in multi-agent scenarios. So as we move forward, there are multiple use cases that we can utilize while we are working with multi-agent scenarios. As I mentioned earlier, let's take this as an example of CEO of the company, and this router is the personal assistant to that CEO. And then we can check this agent as, I'm gonna call it as legal agent. I'm gonna call it as marketing agent. I'm gonna call it as sales agent. And then this is the final response that I'm going to get it. So if the CEO asks a question that is, what's the revenue of from the last year, or what's the revenue from last month revenue? So to my intuition, I would know that this question should be asked from a personal from the sales team. So a personal assistant of this CEO would actually route this query towards the sales agent. And if I ask what was our spending limit of on Facebook ad, how much amount of dollars we have invested, what was our investment, what is our investment on Facebook ads, investment on Facebook ad last month. So this query would be routed towards the marketing agent. And these agents would have a set of their own prompts, would have a set of their own knowledge base, and then they are connected to their own ecosystem. So consider them as a different logical unit that have their domain expertise. They are trained on the data that we have given to the salesperson, or given to the marketing person, or given to the legal person. And then we can ask a similar question that this personal assistant, or you can call it as a router, that is going to route towards the agent given the set of questions that have been asked by the CEO. So this was one set of example. Why do we really need multi-agent scenarios, and how we can actually incorporate it in our daily lives, and how we can actually productionize this for the use of our customers.